How to share a YouTube video on your Instagram story. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up YouTube application and find the video you want to share. After that, you can simply tap on the share button and now simply tap on copy link. Once the link has been copied, you can simply take a screenshot of the video, thumbnail, or save any image you would like to use in your story. After that, head back to your home screen, open up your Instagram application. Now, log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on this story icon. After that, you can simply tap on the sticker icon. Then you can simply tap on link. Now paste the link you have just copied. Tap on this tick mark. And just like that, resize and position the link sticker wherever you want in the story. And finally, you can simply tap on your story to post it. That's it. Your Instagram story will now include a clickable link to your YouTube video. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.